Hello, F-ManRoBo here, thanks for stopping by. Let's get into today's video. But, don't forget to like and subscribe. So, anyways, let's begin. I'd like everyone watching to stop, and take a second to think about space. And no, I don't mean empty, open space, I'm talking about the last unexplored great wonder, that is totally out of this world. Outer space. Have you ever wondered what the future of humanity holds in terms of space travel, or how about planet colonization? Will Elon Musk really take us to Mars? It's by no means an easy task making it to space in one piece, let alone making a return trip, so will tragedy strike and possibly hold us back from conquering our solar system's outer realms? Or will we prevail as a species, and end up taking man to a whole new frontier? Let's talk about it. Space is, and always has been, one of my own personal wonders. I think the whole idea of space travel fascinates me mostly due to the fact that most of what there is out there to experience or see, we have yet to find. And I think a lot of other people can relate. In space, there is an enormous amount of knowledge to be unraveled, just waiting for the day our scientists make another revolutionary breakthrough, leading us further and further into space with each bit of new technology we discover. The history of space exploration began on October 4, 1957, when the Soviet Union launched the first satellite, Sputnik, into space. Since then we have put our best engineers and scientists to work, pushing the boundaries of what mankind knew was possible, turning science fiction into reality. Today we all know about SpaceX and the Starship. Our space-going vessels have drastically improved from 1957 up until now. But how much is there left to improve? Are we going to reach an engineering point where ideas stagnate and new tech takes longer and longer to produce? Or will we continue to keep designing and improving upon what we have, until we discover something like a gravity-powered propulsion device? It's hard to tell what the future may hold, but I'm certain it will be exciting. With the rise of SpaceX's Starship, to the flop of Boeing's Starliner. Only time will tell what new tech may be added to these rockets, or new designs that the teams at any of the rocket development labs will come up with. We may get lucky, perhaps someday in the not-so-distant future, mankind will stop wasting money on war and focus on bettering ourselves, collectively, as a species. If the tensions between rivaling nations suddenly disappeared overnight, we would most likely join sides and begin working together, vastly improving the rate in which new developments are made. New designs would flourish and new ideas would surely be plentiful. We may have joint nations bases all over planets near our home planet, Earth. Or even have lots of bases on faraway distant planets that aren't even in our own solar system, like Kepler-22b, a huge, Earth-like exoplanet that's orbit is in one of the small habitable zones of the Sun. Although Kepler-22b rests about 640 light-years away from Earth, and it's unlikely we will reach a distance that far anytime soon, future technologies may be developed that make light-year travel as easy as you hopping in a car and driving to the local gas station at 30 miles per hour. It may become the norm for everyone to be able to travel to distant planets, easily piloting their own vessel to wherever they want to go within the not-so-emptiness of outer space. Planets we'd learned about as kids as dangerous, unreachable, uninhabitable, they are now places where there are flourishing cities, with lots of artificial atmospheric greenhouses, and huge farms, all enclosed within mankind's latest cutting-edge technology, allowing us to thrive where we shouldn't even survive, allowing us to live almost anywhere we want. If you were to travel to a distant planet, and visit one of the cities established there, it would probably be very weird. You would be able to recognize that you were in an establishment of some sort, being that there are lots of buildings there, but you'd probably have no idea what anyone is doing. There would most likely be plenty of people living there, all working and contributing to society just like we do on Earth, but things would be very different. There would almost certainly be jobs in fields we couldn't even begin to imagine. Jobs that today, we would all find quite strange, if we even recognized it as work. Our space vessels may also look very weird, unrecognizable from any of the vehicles we have seen in our lifetime, but so could vehicles meant for war. With technologies such as gravity, antimatter, or warp propulsion, what would a timeline look like where we didn't work together? Well, things would be totally opposite from what we've previously went over. With the increase in travel speed for manned, or unmanned vessels, or the weapons they have equipped, a war would have immensely devastating effects. Imagine a swarm of fighter vessels instantly warping to your planet, ready for war, a war that would be over in mere seconds, as rockets or laser weapons instantly meet their target. Entire solar civilizations could be wiped out of existence with the press of a button. But with this massive increase of travel speed, only humanity's choices in the preceding future can predict how this future may turn out. If we use the technologies we gain from space rocket research for good, things could be truly amazing. We could learn and experience things we have only ever seen in the realm of science fiction, some of the most amazing things mankind will ever experience. But if we use those powerful technologies for more bad than good, the world as we may know it, and maybe even other worlds, could be absolutely decimated by war and destruction. But I'd like to imagine we will head in a more positive direction with the future of space travel. Anyways, that's about all I have for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a video upload, or else you might have to take a trip in the Boeing Starliner. Until next time friends. Have a good day. F-ManRoBo signing off.